Here comes the train, that's right. Alright, I accidentally pressed out exit on my phone. But 2024 in March the 10th. Day is now going forwards instead of backwards. Days are getting longer. Days to catch trains, days to go fishing and swimming.
Yay, swimming!
That's right.
We could go swimming today.
So here they come, my friends on the Kiamichi Railroad. I just got ahead of them. I'm at this road crossing where I first filmed in the summertime. I don't know if this side's gonna be gooder. I don't know. Oops, sorry.
Wait. I want to go swimming.
It's a little bit too cold.
I want to go swimming.
But we're down south of the line, and there's something else on the tracks. I just seen it. No, is it still there?
It was a deer. It was a deer.
It must have been a deer.
It wasn't?
No, it had to been a deer.
It was a deer. It was a deer.
So,
Deer.
I am. Hey. So, I am east of.
Oklahoma.
No, we're in Oklahoma. I am east of Vitabell and west of Hayworth, Oklahoma. So Hayworth is back down that way towards the east of me, and the train is west right there. So it's a short train, and it went through fast. So they're moving. So they might be back through sometime tonight or tomorrow.
Wait up, what's spicy?
Here, stay right here. Stay right here.
Woo!
And of course, pretty soon they're gonna do some THC to this crossing. It needs it, big time. Stay right there.
Whoop! Whoop! Whoop!
I'm doing this also for Josh because Josh missed it, so I'm out here for him, and I want to take pictures too because I missed the picture shots. So we're going to
Take a picture!
can't take a picture just yet. Well, I can with the train being far off in the distance.
But you can't right now. Because they're right here. Oh yes, they're right here. You could do it. Food sauce. Come on. Do not. White sauce is missing it.
Do what?
White sauce is missing it.
No, my friend Josh.
Why he's missing it?
Because he missed it. I mean, he didn't. He probably. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, he might have accidentally missed it. They came through very fast, so I understand. So I'm out here for Josh.
And to them, it's going to be here right now.
Yep. Right now they're coming through at 6:07.
But then we're going slow.
Excuse me. On a Sunday. Like. Move. Over here.
And here the more.
Stay put.
Here the more.
There goes Kiamichi Freddy. It's a different one. Yeah, that's a different Freddy. There they go.
I hope you like it.
Yeah, I hope y'all like this video, everyone. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. You'll see some more live action on the Kiamichi Railroad and the Queen Eastern Railroad on the hot rails. If you want to see more live action with me and my friends on the Queen and the Kiamichi Railroad, the Queen and Kiamichi Railroad on the hot rails, it's right here. They just came through here with a fresh coat of shine. Smooth. Look at that. There they go. They're heading eastbound. They're going to go home back to Hugo, and then
then next week then we'll come back.
yeah, and then they'll come back through. They might do a crew change and come pick it up tomorrow, or they might, or Eddie might bring the train back tonight. It depends if the boss wants them to bring the whole train back and come back this way to make another load.
Or then could come next week.
They'll come. Oh yeah, they'll come next week. But this is a very, very short train. I'm very sorry it was not a very long one, but it depends on what they get and what they're going to get back. So it depends on what they're getting, and what they're getting back is what you're going to get. And some days they're going to have a very long train. So it kind of depends. So if you want to see more live action with me and my friends on the D Queen and the Kiamichi Railroad, and of course you want to see some more short line railroad action with me and my buddy Josh that films the Kiamichi Railroad and JDT trains. Describe, and I'll post more videos out. I have posted a little bit of videos out, so when you get this, there'll be more videos out for you guys. So see you later, everyone. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
All right, bye. And we got another place to go, so see you later. Marshall now. See you next time.
Bye.
Here we go, everyone. And there goes Eddie and my other friend on the train tonight. So, all right, everyone. See you later.
Subscribe.
Subscribe and support my channel. All right, everyone. Bye now.